Hi everybody, it's Carla. Welcome to Crafting with Carla. I've been feeling kind of lonely lately, and I've been wanting to get like an animal, like I dreamed about when I was a kid. But I live in an apartment, and you're not allowed to have animals. Excuse me. And so I thought I would just make my own animal, like a little petting zoo. Would that be cute? Not a dinosaur. So I heard that toilet paper rolls are a good way to make little animals. And I just wanted to tell you, the local committee for the prevention of hoarding just came by, but lucky for you, they didn't get these. And so this is what we're going to use to make a petting zoo. And so each of these is an animal. I need to make some space. There's a lot. My zoo is overrun. And so what you do, I actually don't know how to do it. Let's see if we can figure it out together. So this is our animal. We need to make legs. So I was thinking, it's my first time doing this. I think, okay, so like that. There, and then it has legs, and then it can walk around. Do. So I think that's good. And so let's paint it. This one can be a zebra. I don't have a palette, so I'm using a Post-it note, like normal. And I have a little tiny baby thing of poster paint. I probably need all of it, so I'm going to squirt it all out. That's good. I have a brush. I'm making a zebra, so we're just gonna, this doesn't cover very well. This brush is really stiff. So you're just gonna, excuse me, you're gonna paint the whole thing like this color. So while I'm painting, I'll tell you guys a story. I'll tell you a story about how I came up with the idea of having a petting zoo. Well, I already told you because I want animals, and my landlord hates living things. He only likes money. I was thinking about, like, for Halloween, dressing up like a penny and taunting him at his window, like, look at me, I'm money, you can't have me. And he'll get so mad, and he'll say, like, blah, 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 I'm gonna get all the money. And he'll run out and try to chase me, and then I'll take off my mask, and he'll see I'm a person, and he'll lose all interest. Okay, there, that part's done. And so I have some water here. And then we need some black for the stripes. So I'll square a little black on my little Post-it note palette. I'm just going to use a different brush because I feel like it. And then you just need some stripes. I guess it's been a long time since I've seen a zebra, you guys. I don't remember if there's like a special like stripe pattern. There we go. Wait a minute. Fuck. I messed up. Like where does the face go? Like, how do you make how do you, I got paint on my arm. Excuse me. I guess we could just put this is right. I should have read the instructions first. I guess we could just, like, put it on the side. There, I have a zebra. That's nice. There's my zebra. Hey, I'm a zebra. That's pretty cool. Let's make another animal. So I'm thinking, oh shit, I got paint on my green board. I'm thinking now maybe this is not the right way to turn tubes into animals. So for my next animal, I'm going to try a different method. Actually, I wish I had tried this out first because I really don't know. So I think if I fold this down, then it makes like a place where I could put a face, right? And then I would just cut off the rest of it because it wouldn't have a chin sticking out. Like, that's dumb. There. Now this one will have a face. So let's see, what animal should I need another post-it note palette. This one's full of poster paint. That's a lot of P words. Let's review our P words. Palette, post-it note, poster paint, and I guess paint. Let's make a lion. Yeah. Okay, so we need some yellow. Is that the right? Why don't these lids go on? I'm gonna do an advanced technique, an advanced painting technique where you take two different colors and you mix them together to make a new color. I guess I'll use this brush. See, you mix it together. Look at that. It's a different shade of yellow. Could have used mustard, but I don't have any. If you don't have paint, use mustard, because probably most people other than me have mustard. And then you just paint your lion this lion color. And this lion has a face in the front, unlike the zebra, which is a little different kind of guy. We don't judge him or her, I don't know. Fuck, I forgot to make legs. Hold on, I gotta make legs. I wish I did this before now it's on my hands. There. Excuse me. There we go. We made some lion legs. Those 2 L words. We got lots of P words, and we got some L words. I'm like Sesame Street. Okay, there we go. And then we still have some black left over from the zebra, so we could use some of that to make a face. There, that's so good. There, you know, we have a lion and a zebra, you guys. This is so cute. Uh-oh. The lion sees the zebra. Why does this always happen?